Okay, we're gonna try this again. Um, I don't know how to add her. Jeez, why did this why this episode?
Hold on.
Yeah, well, I have to fix up the camera.
Hold on, let us fix up the camera.
Yeah. Ready for question?
A two question me here, so we said, so I don't want a question.
Because Alison don't want to set PR, so. But it's alright, you can set it, Alison, right?
Set it.
No,
Oh, what me say? Oh.
Yeah, because she see herself sideways.
Oh, but that's why I'm going big because it's over up on the camera.
That's why I go.
So it'll be.
Yeah, that's why I go.
Anyways, welcome to those who are viewing me and my crazy happy family. This is my mother, Diana, and this is my sister, Ashley, or whatever her name is. And then that's my little niece. You're probably going to hear her. You probably won't see her.
Look at sure.
Yeah, hi, Pumpkin.
She's not smiling.
She's not ready to talk it.
But yeah, we wanted to come on live today because we wanted to share some of our views about the current events all over the world, really, and kind of like our experiences with racism and colorism, because I know there's more colorism in Jamaica versus in Canada where you have more racism.
Yes.
So we just wanted to come on and share our views about what's happening and kind of share our experiences. So how are you guys doing, by the way? Oh my God,
we have chat to it, bro. Oh my God, we have chat to it. So, by the way, before we come on, before we continue, we can't even say who is live, who is watching.
My friends, Leah is on. Hi, Leah. Talcia Williams is on. We can't see who on.
Oh, Talcia, that's my friend.
Oh, Talcia is your friend. Hi, Talcia, Ashley's friend.
And who else? Let's see, mommy's friend is
no mommy's friend them no over here.
Okay. So of course, even though we are sharing, where's that? Oh, your friend them will see. Yeah.
Okay. Cause me talk, mommy.
I'm the guest.
And then you're not the guest. Okay. You're the host.
You're co-host to the mommy. Yeah, you're co-host.
Cause the last time she wanted to become the head cook and box washer.
Because the last time they were talking and giving wrong answers, so I was there correcting them.
No, Mama, we never get around.
No, I never went with them.
Right.
Anyway, so yes, but she's talking about the trivia part of it. So we will be doing a trivia tonight after we talk about,
Sorry.
Test.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll be doing a trivia aspect to it. So look out for that. But for now, we have to share our experiences in regard to what is happening across the world. I would say that, not only in the US.
Yeah. So with regards to let me share my thoughts first before I share my experience. So with regards to what's happening, the protesting and just what looks like a race war, I feel like this was inevitable. This was gonna come anyways. I actually like that the conversations are being open. A lot of people are learning things, including myself. I like that I don't want to sound harsh, but I'm kind of getting to know people for what, like, really see how people think based on what they're posting on Facebook
True.
and Twitter and Instagram.
True.
And you kind of get to see where people's head is at. And unfortunately, at this time, I don't have much tolerance because I feel like in this digital age, there's so much information in the palm of your hands, in your smartphone. You have absolutely no excuse for ignorance. And I'm just not going to tolerate it. Do I think that this protest is going to change anything right now? Probably not. But it does open the door for conversations that people were afraid to have maybe in a few years back. So maybe I won't benefit from it, but probably my children and my children's children will benefit from whatever is happening right now. That's my thoughts on it.
For me, I think, first of all, I'm heartbroken by what has happened to George Floyd, right?
Yeah.
Even today, Mommy and I were talking about the fact that this police officer did not see him as a human being.
No.
All right, forget about the fact that he's a black man or he was a black man. He did not see him as a human being, because if he saw him as a human being, he would not find it necessary to do that.
Yeah.
Why would you inflict such harm on a human being?
Yeah.
Right? Regardless of the shade of the person's skin or the person's ethnicity.
Yeah.
Why would you want to inflict so much harm? Right? It's like you see, it's like the police officer saw him as an animal.
I don't even know if it's as animal because they don't treat animals like that in America.
Well, even that too.
So
it's just beyond me why them hate black people.
It's
you know,
it's ingrained in their DNA. You think I'm Joe? Like it is something that has
no, you sound like mommy.
No, it has been passed down through generations. Like stereotypes of black people is something that is passed down through generations of Caucasian people, because it was a way for them to determine who is friend and who is a foe. And black people or anybody who doesn't look like them is always considered a foe. You have some people who will depart from that mindset and try to educate themselves and change their behavior towards blacks. But predominantly, I think it is ingrained in their DNA. Like they have to unlearn it.
Mommy,
let me tell you something. It is very sad. It is very sad, the situation and what happened, and it's also very traumatizing.
Yeah.
For us as black people, it's very, very traumatizing, and to know that this man was killed like that.
Yeah.
You know, it's not like he had retaliated or he had a gun or something. He was just submissive. You understand? And I really don't like the looting and the protesting.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Peaceful protesting. You understand? Because it will not get us anywhere to, like, all we Jamaican have this thing, you can't fight fire with fire. You understand? And eat rice when it hot. So my take on it is that for us as a black race, the first and foremost, we need to unite. And until we can unite, and when I say unite, I mean unite in love. See your brother as see the next person, even if he's not your biological brother or sister, as your biological brother or sister.
Yeah.
And love them unconditionally, because there's no way we are going to be able to change this until we unite as black. Bob Marley sing this song, Africa Unite, right? And right across the world, we are Africans, Jamaicans, wherever you are, we are Africans, and we have to unite in order to combat what is happening.
Mm-hmm.
Because let me tell you something, there's no way we're going to get any change now for what is happening, because it's like, as you said, it is embedded,
Mm-hmm.
you know. Bob Marley even said in his song, emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. So our mind is already set in a way that we as black, we're going to be defensive and we're going to fight and we're going to lose and we're going, no. We have to change that process. Look back to our ancestors. They did fight. Don't get me wrong, they did fight. But how did they fight? When they were slaves in the field, they used to sing. It's not that they weren't abused and they went through it, but they used to sing, they used to drum. You understand? And one of the when the rebellion happened, the slave owners were surprised because they didn't know of the planning. You understand? They went underground and they planned. But in the field, they would send messages
Yeah.
by drumming and by singing,
Yeah.
right? So we need to come together as black people in unity and love. You understand? I mean, years ago, Perkins bring the Million Man March on Washington,
Yeah.
right? And if I, I I salute them for doing that and I commend them. But the Million Man March, they marched, but they weren't united, because if they had or they were united, what happened to George Floyd would not have happened.
But let me
Would
ask you something.
not
I'm going
have
to,
happened.
okay, I don't want to get too psychological now, but we have to remember that as black people, we don't know violence. We learned violence from white people. That's how we learn. Thank you, Makeda. Exactly. We learned violence from whites. That is not us. As blacks, we are friendly.
Why is it we don't know
We
violence?
don't know if you go all the way back to our ancestors, actually we don't push violence like that on each other. That's not something that we are genetically. We had to learn that from our white oppressors, because that was the only way we knew how to survive. It also meant that we had to
Yeah.
sell out each other in order to survive, and that is something that we have also passed down through DNA. A lot of it is feeling just like your back is always against the wall and you have no choice. So I agree that I don't agree with the looting, but I believe that drastic things have to happen, because these police officers are taking drastic measures against black men and black women.
Okay. I want to say something. Black people before slavery and even after the start of slavery were not and are not idiots, right? And I think while there is truth that, slavery and how we were oppressed change our behavior, you understand? I still think that before the white man convinced them and so say, all right, sell out your own, there was something intrinsic in them that influenced them so much to give in to this white man. Remember now, no, black people, when we read or do history and all of that, black people were kings and queens.
Mm-hmm.
We held so much wealth, you understand? But we never really see it as wealth, you understand? It's just life. It's just how life was in Africa, you understand? And then even after, when slavery started, there were some, even up to this day, no, enough Rasta people say about how they want to go back to Africa, and enough. Okay.
Makeda not feeling this conversation.
Yeah, a lot of Africans who were enslaved, brought to the West Indies, ensured that they made their way back to Africa. Whether it means, I don't know, by whatever means. And to this day, if you speak to some Africans, they will tell you that you see the slave who stayed and went through the oppression and all of that, they are no longer family. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
And I think that mindset and all of that,
Yeah.
that preceded slavery. You understand? That kind of selfish behavior preceded slavery. So yeah, I understand to the white man and the oppressive system that he put in place kind of influence how we think and we behavior. But I feel like we must also share some of the blame.
We need to unite.
Well, we need to be
We
educated
need to
first. We need to be
unite in
educated on our true history, not the white man, not the one that the white man give us. I'm not talking
white
about
man
the
give
Well,
up. Right.
true.
right.
And then let me tell you something. Technology has gone so far, and there's so much
Well,
that we can do.
Malik said easy, Pem Pem.
There's so much we
Hi,
can do,
Malik.
right?
yeah.
To influence each other. You understand? Get rid of the hate and the fighting and something, and look as the next person. Do for yourself. Do unto others what you want to do for yourself.
Yeah.
And that's where the change will start.
Yeah.
We have to do that. We have to do that. We have to stop thinking about what you happen to me and what this, and make it better for even Makeda generation. You understand? We have, listen to me. Our forefathers went through a lot to make it better for us, you know. And didn't you think they had gone through a lot of pain, a lot of what? Worse than what we going through now?
But what
they
has
did it,
changed in
and
the
they suffered
system
for us.
though? But what has changed in the system?
Mentally, we in our person, what we think, what we look. You know, I feel always say, fire with fire, him lick me, somebody don't lick him back. You understand what I'm saying? There's other ways to do it.
I agree.
You understand?
But
do that, me go do him back. No. So there is no be no better.
yeah, but I'm still not going. I understand that we have to take some of the blame, but I am not going to blame what is happening right now. I'm not going, as a black woman, I'm not going to take any responsibility for what's happening right now because people are fighting against a system that has been put in place to keep them down. So it's like, how do you fight that? How do you continue seeking? How do you feel motivation within yourself to keep fighting when they keep pushing you back? That is why we're going to get into microaggressions, little things that have to happen in order for us to be accepted in society. So it's just like, how do you fight against that?
As you said, you understand? Education is very important. I believe so. You understand? We can't stop talking what we know is our truth.
Exactly.
You understand? Right? And we can't stop sharing it with our little ones. You understand? We have to keep on educating what we know to be the true history of black people. Something.
Take Bubaki
Mommy,
older than me, who you can go educate. They're not going to sit down for you to educate them. You can't educate the younger man.
Mommy, people don't know what that means.
But the older
we don't know what is a Bubaki.
That's a Jamaican thing. Okay. The older, tough-headed, hard-headed person.
Yeah.
You just have to meet them on another level. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So you go educate the younger minds, but you go say to the older people like me, you know, and say, look here, yes, we know you're going through that, sympathize, and try to find another way to come to the solution. Because let me tell you something, it's good to educate. But let me tell you something, that everybody's education, do what your education. Trust.
True.
Yeah. You understand? You have to meet them on their level and show them. So listen
to me, to read the comments. I don't see. I'm not seeing no comment. You see comment?
Malik says. Yes, I'm seeing on from my end. Malik says, but the Bible say an eye for an eye. Mommy, would you like to
Malik, we don't read the Bible. Listen, me not get into the Bible because me don't know who write that. I don't know about the Bible.
Yeah, because people go with one ear and we do the other one. That's what I'm going.
So, Mommy, have you experienced any colorism? Like, do you feel like you are at do you benefit from having a lighter complexion?
No.
Mommy, think about it. Good. Mommy say yes, he's still say for.
Do I benefit from having a lighter complexion?
To make it hear the funny.
Well, maybe me. No, I don't think so.
You do.
In Jamaica.
Yeah.
Well, maybe in a sense. I'm not sure because I'm a people person.
Yeah.
You know that.
I agree.
And me no business who you be or how you look or how you stand. Me go stop and talk to you, share with you. So I mean,
I know
people just
that.
always respect me or talk to me whether or not black.
But
Yeah,
mommy,
but we are
mommy, you
asking you.
remember
Wait,
you remember when we grew up, right? And you used to carry go country? You remember we used to carry
Yeah.
go country?
Oh,
What used to happen every time
yeah.
we go country? What people used to do?
Things are not foreign.
Yes.
That you guys weren't
And
born
how?
in
Okay,
Jamaica.
but how were we treated?
Yes.
Well, listen, because in the country people let me
No.
Mom, you can't. Mom, you
can't
can't
say
do
that.
that.
Well, let me tell you something. Because country people are normally gullible,
Mom, you
loving, they're not
can't. No. Mommy, people think.
Guys,
Mommy, people think that when you have a lighter complexion, you must be praised or they treat you differently than somebody who have a darker complexion. Tell the truth.
yeah.
Yeah. And you know, so the
Yeah.
fact that you
Yeah.
cannot recognize it, that means you are privileged.
yes.
Me
Yes.
can't recognize
You-
That is your privilege.
That is a privilege, the fact that I asked you.
No, me is a people person. Nobody's ever afraid to go off their topic. Let me tell you something. Who used to do it? You guys used to do it. They used to walk behind me. Remember, all right, remember so much money don't pass so by the time we reach this stuff. And you always say, Mommy. So it's just me. Me no. I don't have no boundary. We talk to anybody.
I understand
or
that.
so.
Me
So,
not say
I'm
no.
not saying you're not a people person. That doesn't mean that you don't have privilege.
Yeah.
That don't mean it.
the see people not from the complexion.
Mhm.
They
So what?
need one job. And they have to make complexion and they still can't walk in a Mr. Man place and get one work.
Yeah, but you would have
You
to forget
understand?
the work in a Mr. Man place than somebody darker than you.
No, me there right now, me still don't want work and carry. But I think I'm gonna tell you something. I think privilege
Yes.
Yes,
in Jamaica is would I say when you have money.
No.
You
No.
understand?
Social
Okay.
privilege means that you're more accepted in society than somebody
yes.
with a darker complexion.
Okay, speak about Mount Alberta.
Oh.
Yeah.
I am
not
Yes.
going there. Mount Alberta, we are all Albernians. And but no, honestly, I have been used to be active on the Mount Alberta stuff. And it's just since recently that I'm getting to understand that there are a lot of girls who went to Mount Alberta who are so upset
Yeah.
because they didn't feel like they belong.
You see?
No, I went to Mount Alberta when Sister Joan Clare was the principal, and where everybody, she at the time it was 1,200 girls at the school, and Sister Joan Clare knew every one of us by name.
Right.
Right, and she didn't make because you were from a low income group any different from the one who come from Mount Alberta Prep or when go to Parinaldi Avenue Barracks Road. We never see that. You understand?
But
so it surprised me now that we finish and we are big woman now and we're having reunions and me are the one who grown and listen to me this and that and then we said no when they go there we never feel so it surprised me and it surprised me so much because I did not experience
exactly.
that. You understand?
Exactly.
And they know it's quite a few girls that are Diana. You are Diana from where they got school up till now. But listen to me, we were felt from teachers
Yes.
and from other students.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Me, was always the type of person where you couldn't push down nothing on me. You couldn't give me something that I did not want, and I didn't. You understand?
Yeah.
So I remember our farm captain, the farm captain and vice captain of the school, which were, what you call it, the class,
The
what
class
you call it in the
monitor.
future? The class
Class monitor,
monitors
yeah.
were from elite family in Montego Bay
Yeah.
and from Montgomery Prep School. And everybody would have, if they said jump, the other rest them would have said, oh, me never the jump. Me never the jump. My mother used to give me, Mama couldn't afford to give, all, at that time she had 3 of us in high school.
Yeah.
So the lunch money used to be, so we driving fair. So I used to carry sardine sandwich, but
Yeah.
so sardine sandwich when she make it, in order for to sell the ice center the sardine with a cut of onion and pepper in it. And me lemonade, we mix it and freeze it overnight and put it in my lunch pan. Me used to carry lunch pan
But
in a
mommy,
7th grade.
mommy, listen, mommy, wait. You're explaining to me why you don't think you were privileged because
Yeah,
of
yes,
your
I do.
income and what you had access to in terms of what your mother could provide for you. But what I'm saying is,
Yes.
whereas you were confident enough in yourself not to accept what the class monitor said to you because you felt that confidence, other people, women or girls of darker complexion, they don't have that confidence. They're afraid to stand up for themselves because people are going to. The first thing a person comments on is the color of their skin, as if it's something bad.
Yeah.
Move from
So
front
let me
of
ask
me,
you
you're black
something.
like.
But would you who you the well if who you the blame that point? The
It,
parents.
it's not about
Start
blaming.
from the
It
house.
no,
It's
it's not.
systematic.
No, it's social. It's something
It's
that happens
not.
outside the home.
Yes, it's a
But let me ask you
system.
something. Look, when you go to school and you were fat
Yeah.
and then it would have come and tell you what me used to tell you.
Yes, but mommy, I still had privilege as a lighter skin than somebody who was darker than me. I had a lot more privilege. People would treat me
But let me tell you
differently.
something. You had all right. I had this girl, prominent, we don't want to call her name,
Yeah.
and she
Yes,
was
yes,
dark skinned.
yeah,
But our parents, our people, them when it's one of the top
yeah.
in a Montego Bay, she was privileged.
Yes.
And she went black like a
Mommy, you cannot say that.
no, no offense. But what I'm saying is
No shade.
she was dark skin, but our people them ain't got money.
Okay.
You understand? So she never went fees at the social. But now that me the think I'm talking to you and me going back and she say yes, some of them went with something and stuff, but I mean,
And you never experienced it because you weren't dark. So their reality was different from yours.
well, yeah.
Their lived
I mean,
experience is different from yours.
Yeah, yeah. And that's why I just said we have to educate each other.
Yeah.
yes.
We have to and we have to accept our.
Yeah.
But let me tell you something.
You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
You see me? I would like to have, I mean, I always tell Ashley that. They said, listen to me, I would like to have like a daycare center or a woman center. And I want girls who were taught that they never amount to nothing and they never this and they never that. I would like to have girls like that because me always tell them, let me tell you something. You are special.
Yeah.
You are perfect. You are wonderfully made. No sample. When the creator make you in that shredding board, no next, even if you are a twin, identical twin, you are different.
Yes.
You are special. I always like to tell people that. And me take strongly against people who try to hold on other people and tell them,
Me too.
you're not this and you're not that. How dare you? You
Sure.
understand? No. Me and you might not move on the same level, but there's something that I can do that no, you cannot do it.
Yeah.
And it is so sad. I'm gonna tell you something. This start from in the house,
True.
because if your mother tell you what your mother tell you in your head from the beginning,
Yeah.
come up, you live it, and it's something that it takes a powerful woman to break that.
Yeah.
Your parents tell you. let me tell you something. I want to know when I was school. I was the type of I was free and was so down when I was growing up. But me learn say nobody now hold up. You're crazy. I hate to see a child quiver in a corner, hide in a one corner, and cry because you tell him send this or in that, but make it come that draw this money and tell him so because you the kill one.
Guys, she's being very serious.
Yeah,
You
she's
are
serious.
killing. You are
She
killing
will drag you.
potential. I will lick up.
Okay,
Mommy,
so
all
we're
right.
not going to talk about violence. All right, I
Ashley,
think we should
your time,
let
Ashley.
No, you are quivering down a future leader. You understand? Sometimes when you go somewhere, listen, the other day I went downtown and this girl, maybe about 2 years old, I was standing in a line and the ATM, you have to do social distance.
Yeah.
And the mother had a little boy. And I don't know them. They're with low time, and then when he come and he hold on the enemy dress and they tug it. So the mother said, "No, we said no." And he come to me, and she just said, "Oh my, never did this time something. You see, pick me and can't tell people
God,
spirit."
Jesus. Yeah.
Yes. So children and animals can tell the spirit of a person.
All right, we don't want to stray too far off a topic though.
So let me tell you something. Don't prevent the people put them up.
Tika says, get them on today.
What them something?
What them want to see your fuck?
What?
No, but seriously, we are all special. We are all wonderfully made.
Yeah.
You might can put on one expensive frock, but listen to me. We can wear one frock we can buy for $2 and you
True.
can never know say no expensive.
So true.
My mother always sing that song and say, I made the brown girl, I made the white girl in a me limousine, I made the brown girl just the same. I made the black girl in a me hand cart, but we're riding all the same. You understand what I'm saying?
Karine,
So,
somebody say Karine say you must get your own life. You need your own show.
tell her say yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Karine. Okay, so we're not going to stick on this topic for too long. We also have the trivia part of it. So while I talk, my co-host can go for what they did.
No, one next thing I want to say before we
Rotting.
I want to tell all the Jamaicans they want to come at the yard. Say, listen to me. The Gladstone want
Yeah.
the border open.
Yeah.
Want to come on the yard.
Yeah.
All right.
Now the one you want to tell them is so want to come on the yard.
Mommy's English.
Nobody come.
English.
When you guys come home to Jamaica,
Yeah.
Come in your yard.
please come and let us build our country.
Yes, true. Very
Don't
true.
come and
Very true.
Bob
Mommy.
Marley put Jamaica on the map
You pretty
with reggae. You seen Bold and Ashleigh-Ann Price with the Olympics.
Yeah.
Let us as Jamaicans put Jamaica on the map as a
True.
country
Then
and stand up. You understand what I'm
True.
saying?
True.
Me see other day this COVID come up and this lady about much with me and hungry. And a reporter went down there and the Jamaicans come together
yes.
and gave her so much things that she was so happy
Yeah.
she could share.
Yes.
This is the Jamaica we want to build back. So if they come home and they come to add to the foolishness, stand over there. Nobody come back here. But if they come home to go and build with country, put away the politics and the religion and come together like we come together when you see in the run.
Yes.
And we come together when a reggae this and thing. And we come together and help the lesson and build with country. No matter with no political or religion. That me just want to say that.
I think
Yes.
in
Delmarine say I love country.
everybody.
Thank you, Delmarine. Delmarine, you are my inspiration and I love you so much. You inspire me, Delmarine. You are my inspiration. Trust me.
So
Okay.
during before we get into that, let me say before we get into that, we should remind people that to cope during this time, and remember, keep your eyes and your ears open. Educate yourself. You
Yeah.
can't read too much. There cannot be too much information. I mean, of
Yeah.
course, sometimes you have to take a break from it because it can be very overwhelming and it can trigger
Yes.
really traumatic feelings in you. But educate yourself.
Yeah.
This is the time to educate yourself.
I'm gonna tell you something.
Oh,
Take off the mask sometimes.
Mommy,
I'll be honest.
mommy, mommy.
No, everywhere they in the mask, they can't lock up their about the mask. Listen to me. Let go down and get it. We need oxygen.
All right. We're going to trivia now. We're going to trivia. Trivia time. Trivia time now.
No, be serious.
All right, trivia time. Mommy, okay, so this segment. You want a little water? So this segment we will be doing Jamaican trivia just to lighten the mood a bit. You guys can participate if you would like, but we're gonna be asking each other questions on musical history, sayings, Jamaican sayings, and Jamaican traditions. So feel free to respond in the comments.
Feel free to participate.
But
All right. In terms of what I wanted to know for this section, are we going to, like, so for instance, I'm asking the question, you and mommy respond the same time, or mommy respond, you respond?
in a matter, it's not like so we keep score. We just
Okay. It's just an answer. As long as
mommy, yes, mommy, yes.
what
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Me no Jamaican back then. Me no know Jamaican. No.
All
That's
right,
why we say
mommy.
musical history, mommy. We are go back there.
All right.
We are go back there.
So how we going to do it? You ask a question, me ask a question, mommy. Okay.
Yes. So you can choose from
Like that.
you can choose from whichever the categories and ask the question.
Whichever category you ask.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Who will go first?
Okay, so let us wait. Let us allow the person in the comment, the people in the comment, to choose who will start. So if you want me to start, you say Ashley or Ash. If you want Tessany to start, you say Tess, and if you want mommy to start,
Say
you
mommy.
say mommy. All right.
Malik, you're not getting $100
Malik,
credit.
we're not
Up
giving
to
away. Malik, we're not giving away $100 credit.
Malik, we're not giving a
We
credit.
don't give you $100.
Win some donuts
excuse
said,
me.
wow, it is so good.
What is so good?
Yes, I want to say Winston. Listen to me when you're getting no.
Mommy.
So we're waiting on people to comment.
Who they want to
Say
start
who's
first?
going to
I
start.
say, oh, come here, see comment. Me not see no comment, you know.
Because you have to swipe it back.
Go.
Me.
You see it now?
Yeah, Mr.
You
Okay.
see it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you
So,
know, so
I don't know,
Chelsea, I had made a comment earlier and I may never get to read it.
I can't see it.
I'm
Okay,
going
so,
all the way back.
Tika said Tess should start. So Tess, you start.
Okay, hold on. Chelsea had said that she
Thanks.
experienced racism in Florida, entered the elevator, and the white couple, along with their seemingly 5 or 6-year-old, refused to come on board. I only laughed and muttered, "More space for me." There you go, Chelsea. There you go.
Yes.
Oh, everybody want me to start. Everybody want me to start. Yeah, you have to hold on back because mommy ready for fight.
Now fight. We just go on.
Yeah, Anna K says Tess should start. So go ahead.
Okay, so first question. Do I have to name the category I'm asking from?
No. Yes.
Okay, so the category is sayings, Jamaican sayings. The question is,
Yes.
what is, I know my nose are run. I know corona, I know my nose are run. Okay, so the question, what is a popular Jamaican saying that includes 2 birds that refers to hovering danger?
What?
There is
Chicken Mary up in
yeah,
here.
mommy.
You have to ask. All right, you ask their question now. What that dangerous
All
to
right.
Alice got them on.
Mommy, get to go.
Jamaican.
You can take any category.
All right. Jamaican history.
Yeah.
Who won the Jamaican Festival Song Competition numerous times?
Oh, what?
Eric Wilson.
Mommy.
Who won the Jamaican Festival Song Competition numerous times? They had to ask him not to enter.
Another thing,
Name
Eric
it.
Williams.
No, wrong. Name the person and one of his songs.
Oh, cherry, baby.
Yes.
Another thing, Eric
Eric what?
Donaldson?
Williams.
No, wrong.
Donaldson? Eric
What?
No, Eric.
Eric Donald.
Donaldson.
Well, we didn't
Yeah.
get it right. I said Eric.
No, you don't get it
But
right,
it's a
sis. You don't get it right. Actually, your question now.
Me again?
No, mommy, I know you
Your
again.
question.
Oh, okay. My question is, me and I watch Susan and laugh off away. Hold on. Okay, so my question in the category, drawing from the category of tradition.
Yeah.
What is the most common gift given by Jamaican politicians to get votes?
Money.
No.
Money.
No money.
Yes.
Wrong.
Our
Wrong.
Oh God.
Oh,
No,
God.
me no know.
food.
A food.
What's the food?
Curry goat, curry chicken back on.
Mommy, no, mommy, no. No, no.
Mommy, oh, you didn't get
No, me never get one.
Curry chicken back on what,
Let me
Ashley?
tell you something.
curry goat.
Curry chicken
curry
back.
chicken back.
All right,
Right. Yeah.
Let me tell you
I did
something.
yard food. That's another that tastes good.
Me and Debbie are the only time we ever vote at one time with me and Debbie. You understand? When I was 18, and then they bring in the national ID, and we were one national ID, so we went go vote. We never vote again.
All right. Everybody in the comments are talk about beer. No one a beer. A beer, thank you. Thank you, a
Yeah.
beer.
People say red stripe beer.
I don't know about that.
Malik said it's a crate of beer. And he
And a case of
and a
food.
case of curry goat.
All right.
All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Ready for
All right,
my
my
question?
question.
No, no, your question yet. My
Come
question.
on, no, question.
Oh yeah, that's it. All right, go on.
Okay. This is musical trivia. Okay. This story is about Maxine. Her beauty is like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, please tell me the name of the song and the artist.
Barrington Levy.
Wrong.
Murder She Wrote.
Yeah, who's singing?
Murder She
Who's
Wrote.
singing?
Happy Face and Bad Character.
Who's singing?
Shaka Demon.
Mommy get it right. Mommy get it right.
No, Barrington. Then Barrington. I'm tired. Yeah, Shaka Demon. All right.
Mommy, your question
My
now.
question.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is coming from Jamaican history.
Okay.
Which parish/town in Jamaica was the first to get electricity?
Mommy,
That-
what
that's a
kind of
music
question is in the minute you embark?
No, it's not Jamaican.
The category of music is
All right, music. Okay, all right. No, we think we can change the category. All right.
Anybody know the answer?
I don't know the answer there.
Uno better.
Malik said Chris Brown.
All right. Music. Who live or used to live at 56 Oak Road?
Bob Marley.
Yeah, Bob. Come on.
No.
Yeah, Bob Marley.
About Molly?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I know. Like you know the answer. How do you?
Yeah, Bob Marley.
I actually asked your question.
Okay, my question in the category of music history. What is the name of Bob Marley's site?
Ashley, what kind of question?
Sydney Breakspear.
No, Mom. What's Chris?
Look here. You can't answer the question. Bob Marley will have Wally for side chick. Because I'm a
Ashley,
level.
you
But
cannot.
the one where everybody knows. But she knows that she
The first part she get electricity was Black River St. Elizabeth. Xavier, just
Oh,
tell
well,
Yes,
him.
give
yes.
man a
Xavier.
club.
No, it's Xavier.
Okay, all
Xavier.
right, thanks.
Oh, where is it? No, but yes, she knows that she did the test. She's not the side chick.
Actually, but enough side chick Bob Marley did have. That is a very
Yes.
loaded
The
question.
known side chick.
No, me dear, Bell Mavis was known side chick too. Me can name them, but anyway.
We
to
now
answer
going at
there,
people
yeah.
business. Anyway,
Yeah, all
let me
right.
ask my question now. Okay, traditions. What is a common name for an informal savings scheme in Jamaica?
Partner.
Someone make you feel go answer.
I don't remember me.
Someone have to go answer.
Partner.
Ask the question. Ask the
Can you
question.
speak?
All right. Okay. Before
Which category? Which category?
music,
Okay.
before reggae, before Jamaican music got the name reggae, what was it called?
Ska.
Hey, give her a clap.
No, but no.
Yes, it was ska,
Okay, yes,
rock,
it was
steady,
ska,
and then it got to reggae.
Yeah.
Oh,
But a different genre that.
Actually, you get it wrong. Just
No,
don't ask your
you
question
get
now.
it wrong.
You get
Oh,
it
well
wrong.
done,
You
well
get it
done.
wrong.
Okay.
Your question now.
All
All
right.
right. My question. Okay. Says when what's the Jamaican saying associated with this meaning? Someone else may seize the opportunity if you wait too long to take
What's
it.
stay too long, serve too master?
When
What time too long serve another man?
Yeah.
Well, that me
Yeah.
say. Okay.
No, you
No,
said
that's
too
not
much. You don't repeat though.
It's
Jamaica.
that's a Toronto way to say it. That's a Toronto way.
My question now. Okay. From sayings. Fill in the blank. So you have to listen carefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready? Blank, come, blank, blank, drink, milk, blank, 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 ya, fi, cow.
Me not come here for drink, me come here for cow. Yeah, that's it.
And so that's not the saying. Actually, what it's saying?
Me not come here for drink milk, me come here for me not come here for drink milk, me come here for cow.
Mommy, that's not the saying. Me come here for drink milk, me not come here for cow.
Yes.
I know that you say a while ago.
What is it?
Mommy, you said me not come here for drink milk, me come here for cow.
Me come here for drink. It's a song, you know. When you go to
Mommy, you still get it wrong. You still get it wrong.
All right. Listen for me song now. What music? What is Jamaica's first festival song and who sang it?
Mommy, you always a come with them.
No.
Wrong. Me feel like say, what am I the name? Ernie Smith. Ernie Smith.
No.
And Ernie Smith.
No.
Mommy, we name by name time there.
Well, listen, one must research. Come on.
This hard.
This hard.
Wait,
I agree.
Anybody only can answer. What is Jamaica's first festival song and who sing it? Toots and the Metal, bam bam.
Oh yeah.
What a bam bam.
Okay, first of all, me did ask one question about that. So me make you know say Sister Nancy did release that song in 1982.
Toots sing it from 1966. So Sister Nancy have no.
My question from the category.
Me done play. Me done wrong.
Oh, yeah. Don't balance party for you.
From the category of tradition. What is another word starting with W for Jamaican 99?
Starting with W.
Oh, what that? For 99?
No,
You better make sure I right answer you have with Ashley. What
You
answer?
better tell you.
Ashley, what answer?
What? No, but somebody comment. This is very easy. Very, very easy. What is the
Watch
what's the
night.
word? Another word. What is
Watch
another
night.
word?
No, watch
No,
night.
yeah,
Watch
watch
night.
night.
They
What is another word for Jamaican night? The word starts with W.
watch
W.
night.
No.
No, 9 nights. How can you with that? No.
Yes,
But-
9 nights or
Or what?
Me don't know that one.
wait.
Wait.
Rotten. Me not think
We're
about
gonna say wait. Yes. Yes.
people still call it wake. Actually, a country girl.
All right.
Your question.
Yes.
Okay, my question.
Okay, one last question wrong.
Okay, one last question. Okay, traditions. Name 2 traditional dances or ceremonies for in the Jamaican culture. 2.
Kumina.
Ah.
And
Thank you, Minnie.
wait.
Thank you, Minnie.
Okay.
All right. You know, mommy.
Okay. Name 2 Jamaican folklore.
What you mean all of that if one all of turn a drop? Because you know
Rolling Camp and River Mama.
mommy them there okay.
Mommy, you're really good at the read school time.
Mommy come out too
Your
strong.
question number on.
She come out too strong.
Okay, my question now. When there is a power cut, right? And this can be multiple answers. When there is a power cut, what is the usual Jamaican tradition?
When
We like Kangaroo.
Yeah, we like can what's it? I mean, outside of trying to get like alternative sort of life.
when power
What
cut,
do we do? When there's a power cut,
We
what
tell Duppy story.
yeah,
really?
When light gone,
yeah.
when light gone, what Jamaican? They don't tell Duppy
Mommy, I
story.
never used to tell with up the story when light gone.
Yes.
Oh, never used to tell Duppy story when light gone.
I know you hear about what we have. Of course.
And Duppy and blowing a yes about home.
Bro, no, blowing up what? Blowing them ears down.
But I'm I want to be brother. I want to be run up for my tail because it's the
Good. Let's go to commercial.
Anyways, that was the end of our trivia round. Any last words before we end this show?
Oh.
Malik said, wait till light come back.
Malika joking. Any last words before we end this
Look
live?
here. At this time, always remember you have to enjoy your family.
Yeah.
You understand? Enjoy your blackness and your culture. And that don't keep you. That's the
Celebrate
best
your blackness. Do your research. Not the research, not the information that the white man give you. Do your research.
thing. See,
What's
story
more?
over here.
Thank everybody who joined me live.
Aww.
Yes.
It was very good.
Yes.
And only one thing, as me always say, love yourself,
Yes.
love the other person next to you. Want for the other person what you want for yourself.
Yes.
And as me said in before, we're gonna say it again. All you Jamaicans who are coming home, please come home and help us to build Jamaica. Especially now when the economy is so bad.
Yeah.
You understand? People are hungry and so please come back and help. Nobody come join the minority. They have the negativity. You understand?
Yes.
Just come and let us work together as one. As Miss Luda said, one cup
Full basket. Have a good night, everybody.
What is your kind of word?
So mommy say it for everybody. Mommy talk for everybody.
Yes.
But me just start
Thank you
do
all
your
for-
research and everything. So yeah.
Oh yeah. Come on, me talk.
And it is nice. It was really nice. We will tell you when again, and then we come with more trivia. And this time we're sending it out there so we have to answer. You hear? All right. Love yourself.
What? Good and the best stuff is going there.
Walk good and good stuff we walk with you.
Bye, mommy. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye, sweetheart.
Bye.